Welcome to the StatTree video module for Levene's test of equality of variances. To test whether two or more groups on a continuous variable in sample data meets the assumption for equality of variances, the Levene's test of equality of variances would be appropriate. You will need one categorical and one continuous variable to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. Additionally, any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variable for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use question 3. To run the Levene's test in Spyder, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you have already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, if the significance figure is greater than the preset criterion, the null hypothesis that the subsample variances are equal on this variable would be accepted. You would report that the subsample variances are homogeneous, and these results would influence decisions about which statistical test should be run when utilizing this variable. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.